everyone. Welcome to Sharmin's Art Forum. I'm Sharmin. Today I'm going to share you how to make a succulent plant. It's very easy and simple way to make succulent plant. You can make it as a keychain also, so keep watching. And don't forget to watch end result. Consider subscribe to get more videos like this. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Hey beautiful people! If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this.